Hey guys, welcome to afternoon coffee time. And you know what? I'm gonna show y'all something. First, let me get me some coffee. Boy, is that good. Now let me show y'all something. Okay. Hey, look at here, guys. I got myself a new coffee maker. Yeah. And it's a Mr. Coffee. Yes, that's what it is, guys. It's Mr. Coffee, and it has it tells the time on there, and so it's pretty cool. And it says keep warm, and it's if you want your coffee to stay warm, I can just let mine stay warm. Excuse me about that. And then it say Mr. Coffee on there. And brew. This coffee pot, I can make 14 cups of coffee. Look at there. You'll see it on the pot right there. Yeah. Woohoo! Yes, I can make up to 14 cups of coffee. Wow. How awesome is that? And let's see here. Let me put this microphone down for this minute, and let me show y'all. Okay, and pick up my mic again. If you look right there, that's where my see that screen out there? That's where my filter goes into my coffee maker. Yes, I'm excited about this coffee maker. And I don't know where I got that from. I think I got that from Walmart's. And I love that time, and then that's brew later or brew now. I usually press brew now, and then you see the word strong. Yeah. But anyway, I just want to show that to you guys. Okay. All right. Oops. Isn't cool? A new coffee maker. Yes. There I got myself a new coffee maker. Matter of fact, I went to Walmart's a few weeks ago. And so I got this real good creamer. It's zero sugar. And let me show it to y'all. Look. Have you ever heard this brand before? Actually, look there. Yeah, and it tastes good too. It really, really tastes good. The taste you love now with zero sugar. Yes, and no corn syrup. Has no corn syrup in it. You might want to pick you up some of this too. Is zero is delight, saying delight, but zero sugar. Just thought I might show that to y'all. Is that cool? Well, they had some different flavors there, but they had like birthday cake, creamer, but I think that creamer has sugar in it, but this one does not. It only has the facts on it. Nutrition facts. Only has 20 calories. 20 calories, that's not bad. Only 20 calories, and total sugar 0. Saturated fat 1, trans fat 0. Dairy is 0. Oh, you know what? Vitamins. Vitamin D 0. Has iron 0. Yeah, it really tastes good too. You might want to pick up some. That kind. I also got vanilla too. The vanilla one tastes real good. So now I always drinking coffee. I'll drink that coffee in the mornings. After I get through my breakfast, I have to get me some coffee. I don't know why that is. And then I start drinking coffee late at night too. Yeah, I'll start drinking that coffee late at night, man. Yes. But it's okay. It's okay if I want to drink coffee late at night. I'll drink coffee late at night. You know what I mean? Okay. Subscribe and some thumbs up. And hey, thanks for watching. Bye now. Oh, be sure to read in the description below. Bye.